Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode of Red and Kitchen. The other day a friend of mine presented me this huge bread and I said, oh man, thanks, but how can I eat it alone? Weekend was coming. I decided to create something special. Bruschettes. Do you know? Sort of toasted bread and you can put everything on top. In Italy it's very common. One of the most famous cherry tomatoes, basil and mozzarella, for instance. So really you can invent everything you like based on what you have. And I tell you my version of bruschettes. So they are the ingredients. Our pepperoni with fresh mint, garlic, black pepper and oregano. And what on top? What else? 2 cheeses. One we put goat cheese with blackberries and fresh mint. On the other side, instead, a delicious burrata, which is a juicy mozzarella, spicy anchovies. Weekend is coming, right? And maybe you are planning a sort of aperitif with your friends, with your family. That's it. Very simple. The longest part of this recipe are pepperoni because we have to toast. Literally, we have to bar them. And once they are ready, we can assemble our bruschettes. Okay, so follow me. I will guide you step by step through this recipe. So, first of all, we take pan and we warm it. When it's hot enough, we add our pepperoni. "15 minutes per side. We have to bar the skin of our pepperoni. When they are ready, we remove and we put inside a bag. We close it and we leave for 15 minutes. Why this step? Because thanks to the steam they will create inside the bag, will be very simple and smoothly to remove their skin, and you will see. So meanwhile they are resting, we move to the rest of the preparation. So we take our bread, and we cut into slices. The thickness must be like a finger, but if you like thinner, up to you. Then we chop our garlic. We chop our mint. And we cut into slices our blackberries for the garnish. Once they are ready, we back to our pepperoni. We open the bag and we work directly there, so we don't get dirty other stuff. And so as you can see, you take a small knife and you peel them, you remove the skin. Very, very simple. And we clean that. Then we fillet with our hands because they are very tender. Really, you can break with your hands. And then we put in a bowl and we add our spices. A bit of olive oil, oregano, black pepper, garlic, mint. They are ready. We toast our beautiful bread, and as you can see now, it is crunchy and soft at the same time. So it is a nice way to give life back to old bread. Now we can assemble our bruschettes. We prepare our bread and we put our pepperoni each slice. Now the creative part. So, and two versions. One, we put on top our goat cheese, so it's very soft, very creamy. And we add our blackberries, oregano, and our fresh mint on top. One is done. Let's switch to the other slice. We put our burrata and we open it. Look, what an amazing cheese. We spread all over the bread and we put our anchovies, oregano as well, and they are ready. Two beautiful versions of bruschettes. And now we go to the tasting. So guys, here you have to decide, are you a bad guy or a good guy? So write in comments. I'm both, I'm sorry, so I have to test them. Oh, mamma mia. Bad guy. So first of all, good guy. It's amazing, so creamy. It melts when you bite it on the pepperoni. Mamma mia. The bad guy. Porca puttana. Mamma mia. Aiuto. The anchovy is a bit spicy. There is chili and it's a better this saltiness. It's amazing. Because also burrata is sweet a bit and the perfect match. Imagine now a glass of wine. What a Sunday, huh? So very simple, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. As always, I will leave here a link for the subscription if you would like to follow more recipes, and have a nice weekend. See you next time. Ciao a tutti.